Alright, quick update video. Foot pegs on the crf300l. These are the foot pegs that I had ordered. They're supposed to fit a 250L. Pretty close. After putting them on, I realized that they were angled slightly forward, which I didn't, particularly care for. I'm kind of anal when it comes to detail. So now I got them sitting nice and straight. If you're looking straight over the top of the bike. They're nice and straight. So what I did to correct that is on the back side of these foot pegs, there's two ears right there that touch the frame, and that's what ultimately will stop it to where they're gonna sit. So what I did on each little ear is I center punched them, and then I started with a very small drill bit to start a pilot hole, and then I stepped it up just a tiny bit larger to the size that I needed. And what I did is I put a little screw like that in each of the holes that I drilled and just screwed it down flush so that the head of that screw is actually, it's just extending the feet on the back of this that catch the frame, which allowed it to sit nice and straight. And I mean, I guess it could give you some adjustability if you really needed it. I don't think you should need it, but I did both sides the same way. Now they're sitting nice and straight, functioning properly. And you could always Loctite those screws in there if you really wanted to, but I mean, it's going to be sitting against the frame the entire time. I don't see any chance of those ever coming out. And the hole that I drilled was so tight, and it's just aluminum, that I was able to pretty much just thread these screws into the aluminum.